Gather round and you will be told a story. The story of my people. A story passed on down through the centuries. Centuries of deprivation and hope, of striving and loss, of destruction and formation. Centuries of benevolence and animosity, centuries of ire and pardon, of fame and struggle, centuries of defeat and victory. The beginning of Rapa Nui, and the end